So we're gonna see the capuchin monkey. Monkey.
Where's the monkey?
It's like cappuccino.
Cappuccino daw?
No, it says capuchin.
Cappuccino. Kala ko cappuccino, kape na yun.
Aggie.
Aggie the emu.
Tate is recovering after minor medication.
She's being kept separate from her friends. She enjoys talking to people. Make sure to say hi.
Hi! So, kumawa naman.
Oh, naano siya eh.
Wala siyang kasama.
Injured siya.
Aww. So sad. Monkeys!
Isang anak.
Ah, yan na. Dito na.
Ayan, monkey.
Ah, yeah. Come here.
Mom.
Look at it.
Mom. Mommy.
Oh, wow.
Why does it kind of look like me?
Are they like you? Look at them. The monkeys. Oh, nato ito sa ano, oh, you know.
Yung mga goldfish nila, ayan.
Oo nga.
Mga tiyan.
May goldfish dito.
No, sobrang
Oo nga, sobrang busog na siya. Sobrang busog na yung goldfish na to.
Hindi pumuputok ang tiyan.
Sa kakapakain. Ayun o, tingnan mo yung monkey siya, oh. Oh.
Hindi naman siya.
Kani ka?
Hindi eh.
Ah, Ling.
May mga anak siya, oh.
Look, it's eating.
Kaya nga, kumakain. Anong kinakain nun? Ayan o, kumakain siya, oh.
It's so calm.
Oh.
Dapat may pinagdala mong banana.
Kumakain nata ng mangga. Ayan ang mga monkeys.
It like looks around and then. See guys, I'm a professional monkey.
Naglalaro eh.
I'm a professional monkey, mommy. Did you know that? I'm one of the monkeys. I know. Let's keep going. I'm such a professional. Can you go in the water? Monkey.
Iinom.
Like, can I actually?
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung iinom siya. Ayan o.
Wood.
Oh. Tumayo. Yun, nandun. Pumunta din sa leto, no? Yun, mataba.
Where?
Yun, mataba. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Oh,
Lalaki.
kumapit.
Lalaki.
Ah, kaya mataba.
Lalaki.
Ayun. Oh.
See, I'm a monkey. I'm that.
Katuwa nila. Tuwa sila, nag-jump. Ah, let's go. Ayun oh, yung take mo photo oh. Yung nasa taas.
Yeah, but I don't have a good view of the monkey.
There. Go.
Bro, I clicked the wrong one. On my date. Right there.
Ito. Yan.
You need to turn around. I got a monkey.
Oh, kayo ang monkey. Yan. Oh. Kisha.
See, look, right there.
Where?
See the monkey right there?
Okay.
I'm a professional monkey. I do monkey bars. See, mommy, look, I got the perfect picture of a monkey.
Yes.
Wait, show them. Yeah, I'm gonna show them.
Dito.
See, look, we got a monkey. What? Look,
Ito ka.
the monkey's right there.
Oh. Kukunin ko na lang yung mga pictures dito sa live. Ba? Susuba yan? Para siyang, prutas.